Okay guys, so this is part 5 of the 300 video special, and this is Ratchet and Clank A Crack in Time, and all the glitches are found by me. And yeah, so I'll start with the first one as Clank, how to get on top of this room. It's quite easy actually. So first of all, we're going to get on the fast tune, which is easy. Now, we're going to get in here. Now you're going to like time it right in. 1, 2, 3. You're going to be here. Now just climb up normally. And yeah, you're on top of this thing. You can go from behind the glass, but this part is unsolid, unfortunately. So, but still you're on top of here, and just very awesome being here. Yeah. Found by me. All of the glitches are found by me, I've said it already. So, yeah. Next, so I'm in front of the Orvis chamber, and I actually beat this, but as you can see, the door is still locked. How in the world did I do it? Just take a look. Whoop. Come on. Hey. Okay. So you're behind here, and this was found by Ratchet Master 100 to get behind here. But this part of the glitch is found by me. Not this. You can walk around the chamber, but this one's not found by me. But I'll show you something very cool soon enough. So you're going to go to that one. Those four are on all of those four, and you're going to go to that one, I think. Whoop. Yeah.
Malfunction detected in Deck 9 particle accelerator. Running diagnostics.
I hate that stupid voice. It's so annoying. So just wait until I get there. So I'm here, and yeah, I'm here, but don't go in there. Instead, jump. And as you can see, you can stand on these moving things. Be aware because those gaps are not solid. And you can actually travel around all of these things. This is like very epic glitch. Seriously. I think I made it even in there once. I don't know. So let's try. Yeah, I'm in here. You can explore like anywhere. Seriously. And this found by me also. I wonder what that thing is. No, it's probably just nothing. So yeah, it's very epic. You can explore all around these moving parts. Yeah. It's just awesome. And I'm not even on the map, as usually. So that was it. Next one. So now I'm in sector 3 in the Great Clock, and this glitch can be accessed only when you play through this part of the game only the first time. Otherwise it will not work. So you go. Now we are going to jump on this, and now start doing that, and so you will be up here. See? Normally you will not be able to do it because it will move immediately. So what you can do in here, you can get even higher by jumping on this higher part. Now 1, 2, 3, and you're even higher on this, and this is as high as you can get. Can't go even higher. And this part over here is not solid. So yeah, you're done. But still, it was quite cool, wasn't it? Yeah, so thanks for watching. So I'm on Quantos and I have a little shortcut, not really anything special, to get up there. So okay. And you're up here, and right here I have another glitch that I think was discovered already, but I found it myself, so I don't know. Jump on here, now high jump, and you can actually stand on this and you can walk around, and it's actually quite impressive, don't you think? No. Just kidding. Okay, so you can actually go on these green jungle-like things. You can just explore quite a lot if you're bored or whatever. Yeah. I don't know if you can go up there. I don't know. Let's try. Ah, fail. Whoa, where am I? Okay. Okay, that's it. So, this is the end of the 300th video special. It's been nice doing it. I feel like doing Ratchet and Clank glitches again. Okay, so thank you for watching all the parts. I have a lot of videos to upload after this one. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching everything, for support, comments, and everything. So, thanks a lot, people. See you later.